What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be showing you guys exactly how to use this brand new untapped meme coin strategy with one of the highest probabilities I've ever seen before. I've personally made hundreds and thousands of dollars by using this, and no, it is not by trading coins, but it's by deving them instead. Now, $8 million from this wallet did not grow overnight. It took multiple launches every single day for a couple fucking months straight. It grew because I stopped trading and I started deving them. If you want to know how, bro, keep watching. This tutorial will be life-changing. Now, I used to be heavily into trading meme coins actually. Since 2024, bro, I've made a lot of money from trading, but recently, bro, everything went downhill. I used to buy every single coin on chain, thinking I was early and thinking I was going to make some money, but every single time I bought in, bro, oh my god, the coin went to completely zero. And that's when I realized the complete truth. The buyers are losers and the launchers are the winners. You have to understand that by trading coins, bro, you are basically giving and trusting your money to the devs of these coins, and they're just ripping it away from your hands. That's why becoming a dev is so lucrative, because you have nothing to lose and you control everything from the supply, the timing, and the narrative. Okay, that's why I'm making this video, because I will be ungatekeeping everything and making a meme coin live on camera and then some profits, bro. I'm able to make 2k to 3k every single day by deving, and I am passing on this method to you guys. And I just want to be clear that this entire video is for educational purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice. Now, where do you even make your token? Now, most beginner devs, when they switch, right, they go to Pump.Fun immediately. Most people think that Pump.Fun is the best launchpad out there, but that is completely wrong. Actually, launching on Pump.Fun is a mistake, because Pump.Fun is completely oversaturated and flooded. New coins get buried and all the fucking rest are fucking dumped, and they get no traction because there's too many coins, right? That is why you have to be using external launchpads like CreateCoins.io. For example, on CreateCoins.io, your meme coin will be immediately launched onto the Raydium DEX, which means you will skip the entire bonding curve progress, because on Pump.Fun, your meme coin has to reach a $85,000 market cap for it to level up, but on CreateCoins.io, you skip all of that, okay, and you reach tens and thousands of people. In my opinion, bro, the reason why a bunch of people are gatekeeping CreateCoins.io is because it's an actual cheat code, and because you were skipping the entire bonding curve and you were going directly to the Raydium DEX, bro. It's a fucking cheat code and you are saving a lot of fucking time by launching on here. Now, you've got two different options when it comes to making your meme coin on CreateCoins.io. The first option is kind of obvious, bro. It's by creating/vamping your own coin from scratch. So first of all, every single meme coin needs to have a narrative. That's obvious, right? So go on X and look for a narrative that could suit your liking, right? That could go viral and that could get some buyers. Anything from Elon Musk tweet, Trump tweet, you know, just anything, right, will work. Come back to CreateCoins.io when you have a narrative, invent a name, right? Invent a quick ticker symbol, then add an image, and just like that, your meme coin is live and up and running. After these steps, of course, right? But the second method, right, to launch your meme coin is actually my favorite method, and it's a method that scaled my portfolio to millions of dollars, and that's the copy trending coins tab fucking feature right here. Now, these coins already have attention and traffic, which means copying them will bring you instant buyers and higher profit potential right from the start, bro. Copying coins is why I'm here today, bro. All these coins are already proven to get buyers, so you just copy them and you make some bread. Alright, let's move forward and actually launch a token live so you can see how quickly everything comes together. Now, first of all, make sure your Phantom Wallet is connected. That's the basics of everything. Then click on the refresh button to have all your new coins. And honestly, bro, from here, just choose one and copy it. I'm going to copy the Pippin coin. And yeah, it has it as by 1 second ago. I think this is glitched. I'm not sure. It might be real. Then click on create coin, and ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, then click on confirm, and then the coin should be copied in a couple of seconds. Just give it some time for it. Boom. And if I go in source scan, you guys can see that it is live on chain, everything works. It was devved 8 seconds ago by me, so it's actually legit. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is very straightforward, okay? By the way, Pump.Fun does not offer you guys the option to create your own liquidity pool, but yeah, this page is what makes your coin tradable on Raydium so people can start buying and selling your coin right away. Okay, now token A, make sure to click on 90%. That is gonna drop 900 million tokens right under for token B. This is your first buy into your own project. You're not losing any SOL, it is simply being locked up to open the liquidity pool. The minimum is 0.3 Solana, and when you remove the liquidity later, that SOL comes right back to your wallet. I am going to put 135 SOL, just a bit more to be safe. Click on create pool. Once again, you are going to get this back later. And then click on confirm. When that is done, bro, make sure to click on the refresh button, then scroll down, and boom, the Pippin coin is on live and your profits will show up right here. Now if you click on the refresh button to officially check your profits for a second time, now we're up 120 bucks. Oh, the markets are kinda down, but it's whatever, bro. We are still making money. Click on view on Photon to see the chart, or Axum if you have Axum. Let me go on full screen and then just wait for a second. Now the coin is live, bro. Let's fucking go. We're already up like a couple $100. Oh my god, bro, we're getting so many buyers. What the fuck? The transactions are coming through, bro. This is what I'm talking about, bro. Devin coins is so fucking profitable. Look, 70 bucks. Even though we're getting sellers, bro, it's still proof that the coin is getting volume and is getting viewed. Now guys, look, more and more people are going to start seeing the coin, and more people are going to start buying in. Oh my god, we just made 100. Oh my god, we just made 200 bucks right here in a matter of seconds, bro. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump, and when I am back, we are going to dump the coin. Bye bye. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a 6k market cap, 2.1k in liquidity. Let's make some money. Now, you could wait longer or you could wait longer to make less money. It's up to you. So come back to createcoins.io real quick. And obviously, bro, make sure you click on the refresh button to check your profits. And as you guys can see, bro, we are up 1.5k in profits. Now click on the minus button, do 100%. Remove money, then just wait. And as you guys can see, bro, we're going to receive around 11 Solana. Click on confirm. Bang! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make some generational wealth. Now if I open my Phantom wallet, you guys can see that I just received $1.44,000 straight inside my Phantom wallet, bro. It's not fake. Even though the market is really down, we still ended up making over 1.2k, which is not bad, bro. If you run a couple of these every single month, you can make decent money. Anyways, tap in, bro. Have a good day, bro.